Hi, I'm Lexi. Today we're turning up the heat. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you 10 idioms that has the word hot in it. Number 1, in the hot seat.
It means in a difficult position where you are being questioned or judged.
Example, the student was in the hot seat when the teacher asked about the missing homework. Number 2, a hot potato. It means a difficult or sensitive issue that people avoid dealing with. Example, the new exam rule is a hot potato. Nobody wants to talk about it. Number 3, hot under the collar. It means angry or very upset. Example, he gets hot under the collar when people are late. Number 4, hot on someone's heels. It means very close behind someone, often in competition. Example, another YouTube channel is hot on our heels in subscribers. Number 5, strike while the iron is hot. It means to act quickly at the best moment. Example, your video is going viral, strike while the iron is hot and post another one. Number 6, in hot water. It means in trouble. Example, she forgot to upload the lesson and is now in hot water with her students. Number 7, blow hot and cold.
It means change feelings or opinions often, be inconsistent.
Example, he blows hot and cold about learning English. Some days he loves it, some days he hates it. Number 8, hot off the press. It means very new, just released or published. Example, I've got a hot off the press lesson on idioms for you today. Number 9, a hot favorite. It means a person or thing most likely to win or be chosen. For example, that vocabulary game is a hot favorite in my classroom. Number 10, a hot topic. It means something that many people are talking about right now. Example, Mr. Beast is always a hot topic on social media whenever he drops a new video or challenge. Subscribe to Lexicon Lane to learn more.